Hey guys, so I never did nothing with my whole entire life. So today, like a few days later, earlier, I was pretty bored and I was watching my most popular video, which is called "The Sounds of Sound." The Sounds of Planets and Moons, and it has a stupid ad. It has like 1,000 views. Thank you guys. Like every time when I come back to it, it has more views than last time. So I wanted to make a remake of it, and I actually done with the remake, but this freaking stupid ad won't even. This stupid app won't let me download the freaking video. So basically, you just go to produce video. Come on, hurry up! So stupid. You just produce the video, so you cannot download your little video. I always go to save to gallery or saved, and you just choose whatever select your video resolution. I always get HD 720p. It's because it's the closest to HD, and it has better graphics. It's SD 360 SB. So when I'm trying to produce stupid ads, but I'm just gonna choose, and after it's uploading, it won't even let me. Like, I have no idea why. That's right. See, I cannot even upload it in a few seconds. I'm gonna see. Unfortunately, this app has stopped. How did it stop? I just want to know how this stopped. Look, it's stuck at 1%. See, look. See, production has closed. Close any apps that are running in the background and not use, and try again. Okay. Oh no, it's just Flipperkit. Oh God. Okay, my bad. Okay, let's just delete this voice out of here. I'm gonna keep doing Power Director. So basically, that's what always happens every freaking single time. I had the same problem with the Sounds of Exoplanets. But finally I uploaded like 270 billion times, even infinity. But the moment you're all waiting for, the Sounds of Planets and Moons Remastered. Touch. See, it's kind of like the same as the original at the ending, but no images are moving. See, look, there's the sun. Fun fact: the font looks like the color of the sun. See, you can hear it. No image moving, and no blurriness. See, you can hear it much better, and there's no blurriness like last time. It was so freaking blurry. My bad. See, now you can perfectly see it. Well, you can hear there's Venus on top. I made it a little shorter because it took a really long time. It was 25 minutes for each planet and moon, so I gotta shorten it out like 5 seconds or 15 seconds. So there's Earth, United States, and there's South America there. You can't see it, and there's Puerto Rico right there, my home state. Whoop! But now I'm in. See, look at the moon. I couldn't use gray for some reason, so I just choose black or just another different color that's closest. See, look, Mars. There's Mars. If you guys didn't notice, I think you guys didn't notice that you thought the video was actually just. See, look, Phobos. Okay, as what I was saying. I think a lot of you guys didn't notice that the video. It wasn't the video's fault because it was super blurry. It was actually me, my dumb little self, because I should have just took it to the images instead of YouTube. That's why you saw like the letter C on the bottom, and you didn't know what was that about. And so I just took it off from images from Google, obviously. And this is the video. It's 5 minutes. The original was freaking 9 minutes long, almost 10 minutes. Jeez, that was long. But now I'm shorten it out. So here's the sound of Fubo's demos. The thing you guys didn't know about, that actually when I was making this and I uploaded, I noticed something weird. The sounds of demos was actually the sounds of the freaking moon. I didn't even notice it because demo sound and moon sound is similar. See, I already fixed it, okay, guys? I think you guys didn't notice that. See. Whoa, what was that whistle? I can't hear it now. So here's Jupiter. I really wanted to add like an image here. Like I wanted to add like a spot to to put like it's Jupiter. There's a red spot, but I couldn't. And just leave it like that. It's the same color. See, you can hear it. Oh, also one guy told me that he showed me a link to another sound, sounds of planets, and he said the sounds here was different. Well, some of them, Europa and Ganymede, the sounds were not the same. Stupid me, but at least I changed it like this. See? This is what exactly sounds like. My friend, where is he? See, my friend, Kevin Garcia, showed me this video about the sounds of Europa, and it sounds really cool. It sounds like eerie too. Ugh. Ugh. This actually gave me nightmares for once. Can you hear me? I think you can hear me. I'm sorry for screaming at you. Ganymede, Jupiter's moon. This is what exactly sounds like. Look at this. The moon's nice. Ooh, that's nice. Whew. And we come to Io, and this is the sound. Okay, so see, that's the cluster of Saturn. Next, what's next? That's Titan. Uranus. So not freaking funny. Miranda, Uranus moon. So it's white for some reason. Neptune. Pluto. It's Pluto. Pluto's not a planet. What? Yeah. Pluto is not a planet. Wait, it is the ninth planet. No, it's not. No. Okay, anyway. And here's Charon, Pluto's moon. Has you ever noticed something like it's like you see that crack there to the moon? There's brown dust. If you didn't see, I think that's dirt. That looks like dirt. And since that's thanks for watching and it. And don't worry, guys. The Sounds of Planets and Moon Remastered Edition will come soon. Just gotta wait. Be patient. So yeah, goodbye. Where's that thing? So yeah, goodbye.